Hi there. Today I'll be demonstrating the Do Now for 3D model in Onshape. To begin, you'll want to create a new document from your sty.edu Onshape dashboard. You can name this document according to your instructor's guidelines. Next, you'll want to create a new sketch on your front plane. Before you begin adding lines, you'll want to make sure that your workspace units are set to inches. You can create an L shape here. Next, you can add your dimensions for your L shape. Next, you can extrude your new sketch. You'll want to extrude it 1.25 inches. You can use 2 fingers with a trackpad or your right mouse button to shift your perspective. You'll want to select the right plane and select the bottom part of your new part. Create a new sketch on that bottom part. You can use the Use tool to select the dimensions from your extrude. Next, you can take this part and then you can remove it using the Extrude tool. Next, you'll select the upper part. And you'll create a new sketch. Next, you can remove. Your model is now done. That concludes this demonstration. If you have any additional questions, please consult the Onshape official documentation or reach out to your instructor. If you found this video useful, please let your instructor know.